sleep at all?
Like an hour or two. Mm,
What'd you even do when you got off? I can at least play like video games all night. I just don't know what you do when you don't play video games.
I don't know. Just fart around. I made $300 on a lawn at 5 in the morning.
Uh,
Let's see.
dark.
Good morning, Raven. How we doing?
Granola bar or something.
23.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Okay. So I passed 4 and blew 1 there.
Does that even happen?
It's not terrible. Okay, so that means I'll trade 5 tomorrow, and I'll either have 15 or 20 accounts. I can live with that. Good morning, Joel. Code live for 50% off. I've got the shameless plug. Alrighty. One, two, three, four, five, six. There we go. Oh, God. Alright, I rolled over today as well on the
I did too.
326 contract.
My Thunder Futures actually sent out a thing saying you should, so.
70. 70. Alrighty. Let's make some money today. Money. You don't know if you're going to trade today? How come?
Money.
Kind of souped, or we kind of Crap below those. I'm liking longs out of KFNFP and the volume is high. Is the volume high? Relatively. Nvidia heading down. You're meant long, Joel. I don't hate it.
Don't hate it either. You already got stopped out? We have like we break like 90, I may get in.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat.
Order submitted.
I'm in.
Yep.
4 micros.
These could push.
TP at the 67s for me.
Already out. Usually, I just went for that, like the little blue part. That one little push up. Because it was like around like 30, 40 points.
Looking decent right now.
Holy, that thing just went straight up.
Okay, that's a little crazy bit of a candle.
That's not a good looking candle. That's a scary looking candle.
I mean, it closed better than it fucking. We started at 89.
But that one's like gets your heart going and you're like, oh fuck me.
We see. We wait.
We see and we wait.
Maybe this pullback you're buying. I'm hoping we don't have a pullback here. I don't know. I don't think there's any reason that we should come all the way down, but we'll see.
Yep. Yay.
Um, 62, 50. Yeah, I'm hoping ES bounces here. Need NVIDIA to get back through this EMA and VWAP here on this push up. Looks like it could be a trap on ES, then we're going to go higher. We'll see. Not what you like to see. I need a bounce. Need a bounce. Need a bounce.
Order filled.
Nope, fuck me. Oh, man.
What a crazy, just like instant push up to an
Yep.
absolute dump.
Nope, I won't blame you, Priv. Man, that sucks. $56. I can't believe we don't go higher after that. That's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, like, literally, that was like the fastest 40-point trade I think I've ever taken.
Yep.
That candle was a little weird though.
We have like data highs up there.
Get you.
It's crazy. That is crazy that we don't go hit that. I still think we're going to, but we'll see. Yeah. Ugh. This account is shared before you think of the random posts on my account. Why would I see? Why would I even see your posts?
Just tell him you don't care about him.
Well, no. What did
I don't know. I don't know why you'd be checking out his posts either.
God.
The fact that he just lost, I'm gonna say he probably hates you.
No, I
That's
didn't.
usually
I
what
didn't miss you. I didn't miss any of it.
it.
Just back-to-back days. I'm up over 1-1. Could be up $600, but instead I'm down 300 if I were to just take the 1-1s. But on the other days where I hit, I don't know. I hit for 600 both of those days, so I guess it evens out.
Isn't it funny too? It's like I changed my size down so I'm not like to give myself more room, and all my trades that I've been taking have just been hitting. So it's just like I'm making way less than. Yeah, I'd be making more than double right now if I just kept it to a mini. So
Yeah, but
always.
you'd be risking.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
You'd never be happy though.
baby. Oh, maybe we are pointing bearish here. Nasdaq or ES pushing lower. Nvidia bouncing here, but might get rejected. I don't know. I don't know.
No.
I look, he just risked all of my eval on that buy. So it must have worked out for you. That's good.
Look at that thing just pumped straight back up.
Do we have any targets above? We got the 411s up there. Oh, what the fuck? So did you pass your eval? You must have. I don't know. What if we get through this area? We go to the friggin' 500s. We got a pivot point there at the 555s, and we have kind of a high starting to get there at like the 570s. I don't know, 550s, somewhere in there. Maybe 1K left, I think, for the 100K. You're right, though. This shit low-key sucks. Yeah, it's a burden to pass, and it doesn't really give you any upside on the other side of it. It's just like you just need to trade more to get payouts than you would before. I mean, obviously, you probably should be sizing a little different, so maybe that's a difference, but I don't know.
Oh, you talking about for the bigger size?
Yeah, for the 100Ks.
The ratio just doesn't make sense.
No,
And
passing
then it's
is
like
a
you can't
burden.
even take out. It's like,
No.
oh, instead of taking out 2,000 max, you can take out 2,200. It's like, okay, well,
Yeah, no one cares about that. Yeah, there you go. And target hit. Ugh. Why? Why does it have to do that? Why does it have to come down?
I'm surprised you didn't get back in, to be honest. Usually those are trades you get back in.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't love. I wanted like I would have if when we pushed above like the 1 minute EMA if we had like a one candle pullback or something, but we didn't. We just kind of ripped.
It's true.
But fuck me. I have the right ideas. I just don't know how to make any money with the ideas. It's literally options seem to be better because you can just not have a stop loss. Be like, okay, 0 DTE SPY or NASDAQ or whatever. I get in here and it either goes to 0 and expires worthless and that's like your whole stop, or
Well, yeah, but you make a lot less. That's the whole point.
well, futures you're supposed to make more. I mean, options you're supposed to make more.
But yeah, if you get like do like day options, yeah.
Yeah. We still have targets above the 409s.
You fizzle.
Oh, Tekkas, how we doing, man? Ugh. Options is optional. Okay, go. Have you been doing Tekkas? I woke up late and took. And the shit look at it. I thought you were. You said you were what, short biased yesterday, AJ? Or coming into today, you were gonna be. But I know things have probably changed since then, or could have changed. But I got fucked. My TP was here at the 67s. And then we ripped up right away, and then pulled all the way back down, and then went up to it. Unlucky.
just got offered a job, 100K a year traveling to different factories to do research.
Are you done
Kind
with
of.
like taking your dad's spot or no? Are you taking it or no? Have you heard about the 24/7 trading that's supposed to happen? Yeah, quarter 2 of next year. I did hear about that. I don't know what like the consensus is if it matters or not. Yeah, the lows look so good. IDK we're not dumping. I'm here for this last week and I'm done. Nice. Trading won't be the same. You don't think so? I don't know how.
What's different?
It's gonna be 24/7. The Nasdaq's gonna be 24/7 in quarter 2.
Whereas it hasn't been.
But I don't know. People are like concerned that like the New York Open's not gonna like mean as much, and like the moves can happen whenever now, like during a random session or something. But I don't know because what banks and like the New York Stock Exchange still open up at 9:30, so I would think New York's volatility would still be the same. But I'm not entirely sure. It's gonna be like instead of the best version of your setup happening in New York session, it's gonna be happen randomly during the day. Yeah, see, I don't know if I believe that.
Yeah. I think the market's still going to move in the prime time of where people are more likely to be working, which is like 9:30 for the US. And people are like built for habit. So like I feel like a lot of people will just stay doing the same thing.
I mean, it's more of like what the fucking big people are gonna do more than.
Yeah, the retail traders, I get that.
We'll see it. We'll have to see what happens. God, I want to get long here, but not yet.
Look at like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's or cryptos all the time and you still see big moves.
Yeah, I feel like half the time Bitcoin moves with the Nasdaq or with the regular market. Damn, we're really just gonna go without. Come on. We just gotta adapt. Yeah, exactly. Like anything else. I mean, maybe you'll just see like lower volume or something, which I mean, I don't necessarily think is the worst thing as long as we're still getting the moves.
I think it will be good too, because like I feel like big news days won't fucking ruin you as much.
What do you mean?
Like I don't think if it's like a FOMC day, it's gonna be as affected.
Why? The news
Just
still
because you
comes
can.
out.
Yeah, I know, but you can just trade the whole day. It's not like you were like, oh, I'm not gonna trade this 2 hours before because we got news at 10:30 or etc.
Uh, this is just gonna fucking go to the 409s here. Is this what's gonna happen? We don't make a flag on this one. We just V-shape push back up. Fuck me, man. Yep. And there's your 409s right there. God damn it, dude. Yeah.
Hold it.
Shit. This is so gay. I think this is just an excuse to have AI work at weekends. BlackRock is already doing it. With what?
Their algorithms or whatever, quant trading. I, I don't know. I think it's gonna be better because you'll just see less like random spikes, like or crazy volume days. I feel like it's just gonna be more neutral moving. Only problem is you're gonna want to trade all day now.
I mean, you basically can anyways, and it doesn't really entice me, so. I did take this trade. I took a trade at, what time was this? 5:12 in the morning on my cash account. Made 30 points.
Gen. He's a D-Jet.
I saw it and I'm like, ooh, it's looking good.
Kid's looking at the market about one D-Jet.
Not doing anything else. The question is, do we continue higher from here? Because the next level would be like, I mean, this is an area of resistance here. I don't know if we get up there to like the, if we break through this, we're going to like the friggin' 550s. Somewhere around there. 530s, 550s. And that's like equal highs we just made or whatever. I think those people like those. I don't know. I don't know if we go higher. There's a correlation between the volume between buyers and sellers. What do you mean? What do you mean? I think we're just gonna rip higher here. When I see people buying, the volume is lower and steady, but when people are selling, it's insanely higher. My volume now is at 17, but it dropped to 16, so my theory is we might go higher. Okay. I mean, isn't that always how it goes? It's like pushing higher is always like a slower grind, and then like uh, pushing lower is just like hard drops. It's like fear. You panic sell, but then it grinds higher. Let's not V-shape this, right? Let's make a little flag here for me.
Order submitted.
Okay. I'm trying along here. Let's see. The Project X stay on freezing. Well, it's good because you want to get short, and we keep going higher. It's saving you. Yeah, I've started to take that into consideration now. That's why I didn't buy when I saw volume going higher. I got you. So I'm hoping it goes up, but up. Thank you. Alright. Looks like I might do my full, which would be the 95s. Puts me below the 5-minute EMA. And that's my true $300 loser or whatever, so we'll see. We're gonna triple top there. Gold looks so clean, I had to trade this shit. Yeah, people always say gold, but I never want to switch to anything. Like, it's all, like, it's subjective. It's like, you'll do that, and then you'll trade gold, and then it'll, the day you switch, NASDAQ will do the move that you wanted it to do anyways, so. Well, I'm gonna get fully stopped out today. It's bouncing off that 5-minute EMA for now. Let's see if we push up off of it.
May get some redemption here.
Let's see. We perfectly wicked off the 5-minute EMA for now. Yes, sir. Nice trade. Oh, I thought that was TP. Rip. No. I'm long. We left like friggin' equal highs up there from like yesterday or 2 days ago, and now, and then we just went back up there again. Above the VWAP, above the 15-minute EMA. Yeah, but all that don't matter. I'm gonna get stopped. I needed to push higher right now. Got to get back above this 1-minute EMA here. I don't know. ES doesn't look like it wants to go. Ew. It's teasing me.
really teasing you.
You said that yesterday, Raven, and I didn't know what you meant until you sent the picture in the Discord that was you with a chicken in your bed, and then I was like, oh, okay.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Raven has a chicken or something.
Oh. I know people always have like some weird pets. I'm like, why wouldn't you just get a dog?
I mean, a chicken seems easier and it's more useful, realistically. Gives you eggs, you can eat it.
I think she's gonna kill her chicken and eat it.
She might. Uh oh. Uh oh. I'm not having fun right now. I'm not having fun.
Stop filled.
And stopped out. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day.
Those days are extra tough when you're just up.
Man, I hate trading. I hate it. I absolutely hate it.
I swear, just levels don't matter. You just gotta take the money that you want.
Yeah, but then it goes to it. It's just fucking. You say that, but like the day to day, like it's just because it bothers you in the day to day. But like,
I guess.
because it feels just as stupid to just put it at some random like, oh, my stop's this much, so then my take profit is this much. Like it feels equally as dumb. To be like, oh, I don't know, I just needed to go here. Why? Because uh, because my stop loss is as much, so that's how many points it is the other way. But what am I supposed to journal? Today I took a trade and I lost.
Journaling could actually be the most dumb thing I've ever heard.
I mean, I
Makes
write
no
down if
sense
I
to me.
win or lost. I mean, I don't think it's
Yeah, but
dumb, but it's.
it just people are like, oh, if I journal, everything's gonna go right the next day, or I'm gonna really improve.
Well, I guess the
Why?
idea is you would know the answer if you journaled every day if I should just go for my one to ones or if I should not, based on what normally happens. Instead, we just switch back and forth and then just get fucked both ways.
Like, if you're journaling, how many times are you actually going back and being like,
I mean, you don't,
actually,
but I do.
no, like going back and being like,
It's the
oh,
whole reason we've changed
this is the,
strategies.
I guess, but you're only changing because you just know it's going shit because you keep losing, and then you like,
Right, and then you go back through and see what you can change based on the
but it's
trades
like
that you
I
took.
know it at when things are gonna go shit, and I'm losing all the time. I don't need a journal for that.
Yeah, but you need a journal to see what you did wrong. Like you say you
Yeah, but
don't,
like,
but you just copy what I did. Like when we originally changed,
but
or
you
sometimes
leave
when
your
we change, I'm just like, okay, well, I went through all this shit and did this, and you're like, okay, I might start doing that shit too then. Like,
yeah, but like I have P&L things up. It's like I can always go back in my trades and see what I want.
yeah, but you can't see the time
Isn't
that you
that
took the.
journaling?
Well, no, because you don't know. Like I write the time down, so I could go back and see the trade that I took and stuff like that, or I could see.
Where you can just see your P&L sheets.
Yeah, the sheets don't do you any good when you can't see the trade.
You know when you get in.
What?
If you have your like, you don't put your little like oh profit loss chart thing up
Yeah, but you have every one
on
of those
TradingView.
from every day.
I mean, I delete them every once in a while,
Yeah, exactly. Me too. But that way, I like
but
if
I'm
I
not like
write
going
it.
back a month.
Yeah, but you have through me because I've gone back over a month, and then I say I'm changing this, and you say, yeah, good idea, and then you change it too because I said I went through shit.
How many times have you gone back and you're like, oh, this looks like a trade I would take, and then it is a trade that you've taken.
Many times, and also there's times where I sit there, I'm like, where is the trade? But like, it's not even that, but it's also like, where's my target and stuff like that. So like, if you write down like shit, you could see your target, so you could see why you lost, or like you could go back and be like, oh, I look like I took this trade. It looks like I won, but because it went up more than a 1-1. But then you're like, oh, but maybe it didn't hit this target. So it was like clearly I was going for a target, not a 1-1, and then the 1-1 hit. So that'd be a difference in the thing. So you could go back and look at that. Like it's. Once you start journaling, you realize the losers look different than the winners. Yeah, the losers go in my direction, and the winners don't. Like I don't. Because like I get like I mean based on so far when I've started doing what I've been doing, it's been more worth it to go for 1-1s than it has been to go for um. It's like I made 102 points and 77 points going for targets, so I made like $612 and $618 on Thursday and Friday. But then yesterday I would have made. So say if I made $300 both those days, because I just did 1-1, so that's $600 I would have to make up between the 2 days. And yesterday I would have made $300 instead of break even because I hit a 1-1. And then today I would have made $300 instead of losing $600. So I would be up instead of 1,200 break even 600. I would be so instead of being up $600 from doing what I was doing, I would be up 600. I'd be up 1,200 right now. So I guess that's something you could see over time and be like, okay. maybe you'll end up being right, AJ. I mean, we hit this target here to the fucking tick, so I don't know. I don't know if I should not be longing there because of it. I'm almost this short. I didn't think we were going to take this to the absolute exact high. I missed it by. Jesus, we're just dumping. Alrighty, well, I mean, I can't even trade anymore, so maybe I'll take something in my cash account if something presents itself, but maybe a short down to, if we get a retracement back here, a short down to like these lows or something, maybe these lows. Are we doing Ilya's? What's with the scam? What's the scam? Wow. Apex yet? I've had that for a while. I've had that for since like August. And why is it a scam? actually make anything now? Let me pocket watch. Like $100 to like $300 a month. Nothing crazy, but still pretty cool.
Is it?
My affiliate. Oh, fuck this market, yeah. Was that your target? The 65s? 66s or whatever? I will use, but for different firm. This is the only firm I have it for, but don't worry. Don't you worry. What can I do?
Was it like 11? Yes. Mike, do you know whose these are?
I think those are mine.
Oh, alright, you still wear them?
I mean, like in the winter sometimes, yeah.
Okay. Still wear them. Otherwise, I wouldn't check them out.
feel like you always take your best trades in your cash account.
Well, it's just like odds. It's like you win and you lose or whatever. So it's like, all right, I take my losers and my prop, and then switch to cash, and then we'll see. But it's also I'm like not as picky with entries or anything like that. Just kind of like, oh, we're bouncing here. We're at like this 5 minute. We wick right off the 5 minute EMA. We're at the 15 minute. We already broke lower. We're probably gonna continue lower. Jesus Christ, this guy has to clean up the whole basement right now.
For some reason.